watching the Gray Mane Racing channel.
Hey, it's Logan with Gray Mane Racing. Been just kind of putzing in the garage and figured you guys might want to see what I fiddle with. This is my 1971 Harley-Davidson FX 1200. I inherited from my father. It is a major restoration project. Over on the shelf over there that you saw in that panorama in the other video. Yes, Fuzzy, I love you. Fuzzy. You fuzzies. You would have seen the... Oh, I think the camera switched over to the dog. Hi. Okay. Like I was saying, just kind of fiddling with stuff. I found the keys to the saddlebags, and I'm emptying some junk from some Rubbermaid bins and trying to put them on, but the bolt's not in, so now I'm just dicking around trying to get it in, so enjoy! That's pretty much going to be that. I'm going to get the bags in and then we're going to cover back up. So I'm going to put the bags on. There's it's got an ingenious little quick clip. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a little groove in down here. If I have a look down here, there's a little groove. And it just snaps in, slips over, and you clip it inside. So I think I'm going to modify that and put a spring on the clip because right now they just kind of dangle, so it's not real good. So I already filled them full of junk because I was going to put them on the shelf up there. So you can see the shelf behind me is all the parts for it. And the parts for other bikes too. So you have a look inside. They've got a sort of spring-loaded clip system. I think when I redo the bags here, I'm going to put a different one that's got an actual pull-down spring, so when you pull it up, it snaps closed. Just to make it stay in place a little better. So, it's got snaps to connect to the bar at the bottom. Like I said, it's got a little piece of tin, and it just flips over and snaps in place. It's kind of spring-loaded, kind of not, but you could just as easily bump that. But my plan is to put a spring on them, so it holds them down like a spring, like a pull-down spring. Other than that, that's how they fit on a 70s Harley. Hilarious. And that bolt's still not really in, but I gotta buy a new bolt or whole new thing. Thread it, whatever. But this is all gonna come off for the restoration anyway. So. Put some crap in there. I don't know why this thing suddenly starts fucking recording.